They call me, people know if you clap, you they say me they dance. Kind of stupid music is that? And they call me, you they play worship song. I be like Frank Edward for your eye. Lagos, na so na be, I don't get respect to me. And you call Percy Papa, and I don't feel clap. I don't blame you now. Now because say the ritual where I do never work. No see finish the pass like this. If my ritual work, ask him money now. Now I trial, we can't talk anyhow. Now trial, I ready, I want to enter newspaper this time. I don't hustle tire. 15 years for comedy, nobody know my name. This night I go cause people, I go blow. You know how many times I don't enter this backstage, they don't call me. Now me they sweep this hall now. This one they shout, hey yeah, your guys have done here since. Annie said the shock. Annie, Two-Face don't tell you. Now outside they sleep now. Because they don't blow. But too baba, it's too much you. But I get small advice for you, respect. My name is King James. Take this advice for free. The man, he said, give me. If you feel collect advice for free, why you don't give blackface music make blow? Today I go blow. Lagos, my name is King James. Now our show. Today I go blow. My name is King James. Oh, Simon, I got spray me, not even. All these suits we borrow them. Two Baba, I sit there with you. You know, say, he get this your song where they trend now. As I want grace. Because say you want evolve us. They just stop your balance, you are joking with it. Wait, now let me talk. Oh boy, I bet you supposed to play now. Listen, you can say you want to involve everybody for the grace. You don't forget, say, face alone since he sing Colomenta, we don't see him again. Oh, clap, make clap. Ladies and gentlemen, the town don't rock it. Upon all the high he went there, they wear. One small boy when they miss grip, double of us. Tonight we talk anyhow, we die anyhow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a country where police they disturb everybody anyhow. Please, I want to give an advice to the Nigeria police. Anywhere you there, not fear now. I want to get problem. This why they say you go get problem. That problem you be now. How you go there, they drink water, you think say go turn, and they say, how? Are you a magician? Ladies and gentlemen, to the Nigeria police, please, I beg, before I recruit these guys, may they try and go school, even if not Sunday school. School na school. Why will you tell me, when me and my friend, Casino is a comedian, we dey drive the gun, police stop us. Now the policeman ask me, what do you do? I said, sir, I am an entrepreneur. Policeman shocked. He never heard that before Two-Face. Now the man asked me, what do you preneur? Now a friend got to tell and say, entrepreneur. You don't know those people where they say manure. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Toks Titi.